7 Sigma Offgrid.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so we are feeling much better. Ra is back to his normal self, right? Are you? Huh? I know, because you're not paying attention to me. I said we're feeling much better. You're back to your normal self, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so he's feeling much better. He's doing all the things that he usually does. So we're gonna let him do that. But we are up here this weekend and we have a lot to get done. We're gonna try to get a lot of the things that we were trying to do last weekend. So
What video is this? Wednesday or Saturday?
this is Wednesday.
Oh, y'all see this? That's what we got. Bam. 25 tons of road base again.
Again. I mean, we only had this spot cleared out for a day.
No, a week.
A week, right? 1 week. And we're back to piles and piles of stuff. So we got to try to get this down. Wait a minute. This is way more road base than what you need.
Yeah, but we'll use some around the driveway and here, I guess.
So this is going to be here for a while.
Hopefully not. Bowling for big rocks.
Okay, well, that's one of the things that we're going to try to do is get some of this road base down. We also have, we got a Vago Garden raised bed.
Elevated bed.
Elevated bed?
Yeah, this one's tall.
Oh, a tall elevated bed. So it's not the one that sits on the ground, it's the one that stands up. And we did that because we're getting older and we don't want to have to bend down on our knees and all that. And it gives us a little variety in the garden area as well, right?
Yep.
And what else we got to get done?
It's the other half of the fence.
Oh yes, Cliff is going to come this weekend, fence off the other half of the fence.
Fence off the other half of the fence.
Fence off, fence in, fence off, fence in. What is it?
Other half of the fence.
Okay, fence, whatever. Do the other half of the fence. So we're gonna have Cliff come in and do that, and we may have some other things that we're trying to get done as well.
Always
So
got other things to get done.
right. So Ra is going to
Do other stuff.
start getting set up and do other stuff.
I'm about to go get on this driveway.
Are you for real?
Yep, it's a short Wednesday video. Bye, people.
We're about to start.
Got to make up from last weekend.
Yeah.
Gotta get on it.
Okay, so we have to get on it. We got to get back to work. So we're going to get on all the things and projects that we need to get on. So
She's
we'll
still
talk to you.
talking.
I'm still talking?
Bye, Felicia.
Okay, bye guys.
7 Sigma Offgrid.